Well, in the English Premier League tonight, Sunderland will be hosting Nottingham Forest. Again, another interesting match. Sunderland is sitting 11th on the table, while its Forest are sitting 16th on the table, which is quite a precarious position. They might be relegated if they're not careful, because Tottenham, who are now in the relegation zone, are just 5 points away from them. So they need to continue to win Nottingham Forest if they want to survive. Then West Ham again, they're only 2 points above Tottenham. Again, they need to win if they want to survive. So it's not going to be easy task for Nottingham Forest tonight, who are sitting on number 16. In terms of their last 5 games, they won 2 and drew 3, which was not a very bad performance. So they need to keep up the momentum for them to survive. While it's for Sunderland, they've been doing well. They've won 3 and lost 2, which is an average play, but at least they are on number 11, which they are very safe from relegation. If they continue to fight, who knows, they may end up getting to Bournemouth with 49 points, because there's only a difference of 3 points from bottom. So they're only 3 points away from a European spot. So today if they win, they'll be close to that. So they should play very well tonight. Again, that will be an interesting match. Winning probability, they are saying 34% in favor of Sunderland, and 35% in favor of Nottingham Forest, and 31% in favor of a draw. So it requires a trick match. But again, there is no lineup for these two teams so far. So we'll see as the game approaches what will be the lineup.